Lucid is where teams build. It's the only visual collaboration platform that allows you to take action at every stage of your workflow. Whiteboard when you need to ideate and prioritize what to build. Diagram when you need to plan and visualize systems, processes, and next steps. Trusted by millions of users around the globe, from distributed and hybrid teams to corporate HQs, Lucid enables everyone to move seamlessly from ideation to action. And now, action matters more than ever. That's why we're adding 4 powerful new capabilities to help your team centralize work, collaborate, make decisions, and build the future faster. First, we're introducing Universal Canvas, so you can easily transition to the tools you need while keeping your source document intact. Go from brainstorming in Lucid Spark to diagramming and implementing your plan in Lucid Chart. Get your work done faster by switching between the right tools in a single unified canvas. Second, say hello to Team Spaces, where all the right people have a home base to coordinate work. Pull disparate resources into a central location where they're immediately shared and accessible. Create a space to gather with your team for ongoing collaborative work. Edit documents directly from the canvas, clarify who's doing what, and fluidly transition to next steps. Third, enter visual activities. Empower your whole team to give feedback and turn insights into action. Eliminate hours of discussion at every stage of a project. Assess your team's bandwidth. Prioritize the highest impact ideas from a brainstorm. Align on the best designs. And get on the same page before you ship. Expedite insights and action at every step and complete projects faster. Finally, with our new AI features, you can generate ideas for a brainstorming session with a basic prompt. Extend the session using AI to ensure that all ideas are brought to the table. From there, your team can instantly see the bigger picture as AI sorts and labels ideas by key themes and provides a written summary with action items. With the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite, you can unify your team, your tools, and your workflow to see and build the future faster.